With a few vegetables and simple white fish, I make a cozy make-ahead fish dinner that disappears from the table in minutes. I slice the onion into thin rings that will still be noticeable after frying. I sauté the onion in a little oil. I slice the leek into thin pieces so you can still feel it in the finished sauce. I add the leek to the onion and mix everything together. I season with bay leaves, allspice and sweet paprika. I grate the carrots, parsley root and a piece of celery. The food processor makes this very quick. In a moment I will show you how these vegetables turn into a soft bed for the fish. I add the grated vegetables to the pot with the onion, stir and fry for a few minutes. I season again with salt, pepper and a little more paprika. In a small bowl I mix tomato paste, butter and warm water. I pour this mixture over the vegetables and stir everything very well. I cover the pot and let the vegetables braise for about 25 minutes. In the meantime, I cut the fish into smaller pieces. I season the fish with salt and pepper. I coat each piece in flour so it gets a thin golden crust in the pan. I heat some oil in a frying pan. I briefly dip each piece of fish in water and place it straight onto the hot pan. I fry the fish on both sides until it is nicely golden. I layer the cooked vegetables and fried fish in a dish, starting and finishing with vegetables, and keep a few pieces of fish for the top. And it is ready. Tender white fish on a bed of vegetables and tomato sauce, perfect for a winter family dinner. Thank you for cooking with me today. Subscribe and come back for more simple homemade recipes.